Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can get holo candles in Quantower trading platform. As you guys can see in this particular chart, I'm using the holo candles. In order to explain this, I will open up a new chart and I will disable cluster chart so that we have plain candlestick charts in here. Now here, in order to enable holo candles, we have to right click and then click on settings, and here we will click on data style. Now here for body color, green and red is selected for up and down. Now here we have to click on these colors and then we need to click on clear color selection. So once we do that, we can see the green candles or up candles are now holo. Now we have to do the same thing for down candles. Click on this down in the body color and click on this clear color selection. And now we can close this window and we have the holo candles in Quantower trading platform. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.